The more you know, the less you need. This is our motto. We are pioneers in the joint analysis of seismic data, and Holosurface HS is perhaps our most innovative software. Developed through solid scientific research, Holosurface changes the way we collect and analyze seismic surface wave and vibration data. It's not coincident it's protected by the international patent.
There are several reasons why Holosurface is so powerful. It's designed to jointly analyze data recorded with minimal equipment. The HS technique, HVSR, MAAM, miniature array analysis of microtremors, SSR, standard spectral ratio, and vibration data from buildings, bridges, or construction sites. Simple field setup. You need just one or two 3-component geophones, one in case you are using a cable system, or two in case you are working with 3C seismic nodes. No trigger required. With two 3C nodes, you can acquire hybrid data. Active and passive data recorded together in the same file with the same setup. Hybrid data from a 3C geophone lets you extract and jointly analyze up to 6 observables, ensuring robust and accurate subsurface models. When space is limited and traditional methods can't be applied, combining MAAM and HVSR offers an efficient solution. Holosurface includes advanced tools for vibration data analysis. AI-powered analysis. The 2026 release introduces new powerful tools to further simplify data analysis.
We also provide training and hardware for efficient seismic data acquisition. Because only when hardware and software are perfectly integrated can you efficiently work with multi-component data and obtain accurate subsurface models, which are free from ambiguities and errors of standard surface wave techniques that rely on the subjective interpretation of the vertical component of Rayleigh waves.